Hello, welcome to your April speaking test. Today you will talk about yourself. I will ask you 10 questions. Please answer in full sentences. Don't worry, just do your best. Speak clearly. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's begin. What's your name?
My name is Petra.
How old are you?
I'm 17 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Siem Reap in Cambodia.
What is your job?
I'm a student.
Are you married or single?
I'm single.
Do you have any brother or sister?
Yes, I want brother.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I go to gym and listen to music.
What is your favorite food and drink?
My favorite food is rice and fish. My favorite drink is green tea.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning.
Why do you want to learn English?
I want to learn English to get a better job and talk foreign people.
Thank you so much. You did a good job. Keep practicing your English every day. See you next time.